Hello guys, today video about if you want to become a Mern stack developer in 2026. This roadmap will guide you step by step from beginner to full stack developer. Let's start. Step 1. Learn HTML and CSS. Learn the basics of web development, HTML, CSS, responsive design, Flexbox, and build simple websites and landing pages. Step 2. Learn JavaScript. JavaScript adds functionality to websites. Learn variables, functions, arrays, DOM manipulation, ES6. Practice small JavaScript projects daily. Step 3. Learn React.js. React is used for front-end applications. In this React.js, you will learn components, props, hooks, React router, and build Todo app, weather app, etc. And step 4. Learn Git and GitHub. Git helps manage code versions. Learn push and pull, branching, GitHub repositories, upload projects regularly. Step 5. Learn Node.js. Node.js is used for backend developments. In this Node.js, you will learn modules, NPM, APIs, file system, build backend basics using JavaScript. Step 6. Learn Express.js. Express makes backend development easier. In this Express.js, you will learn routing, middleware, REST APIs, authentication, build API projects. Step 7. Learn MongoDB. MongoDB stores application data. In this MongoDB, you will learn collections, documents, CRUD, operations, Mongoose, connect database with backend. Step 8. Build Mern projects. Combine all Mern technologies. In this Mern projects, you will build e-commerce app, chat application, food delivery app, social media app, projects, improve skills and resume. Step 9. Learn deployment. Deploy projects online. In this deployment, you will learn Vercel, Netlify, Render, MongoDB, Atlas, make your projects live. Step 10. Interview preparation. Prepare for developer interviews. Focus on JavaScript, React, Node.js, MongoDB, data structures and algorithm basics. Practice coding daily. And my final tip is practice daily building projects, upload to GitHub, and stay consistent. This will help me to become a Mern stack developer. Thank you.